Y'all, it's me, Carmen Sweet. I'm coming to you with another serving of natural hair. So lately my hair has been extremely dry, brittle. I have some mid-shaft splits. I'm trying this product called Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab. So I apply on damp hair until it's fully saturated. Leave on hair for 15 minutes, longer if desired, up to 1 hour. Rinse out thoroughly and follow with your favorite Curlsmith cleanser, conditioner, and styler. So we're gonna give this a try. So let's jump right into it. Alright y'all, so I am back with wet hair. The only thing I did was rinse my hair under lukewarm water, and I'm just towel drying it just to make sure to get some of the water out, because they did say damp hair. So we're gonna start in the back. I'm gonna just try to y'all, I haven't detangled, I haven't done anything, so I'm just taking my time. Alright, so this product did come from Ulta. It was $29. Not a strong smell. Smell like conditioner. This is the consistency. So I should have did this first, but I'm gonna just do that on one half of the back. Starting with the ends, working my way up. So I do feel some slip, which is great. I think I am going to take a little bit more just on the bottom section, just like that much, because I still feel like some knots. I just want to make sure every strand is getting coated. That look good, y'all. Alright. Y'all see that? So that's the side that I just applied. And this is the side that need to be done. Okay, love, so let me give you some more tea on this product. So it was a very nice consistency. Put your amount of conditioner, and y'all, as you see, like in this section, I'm basically finger detangling with the product. Like, the product had very good slip. It was very hydrating. As you put it on your strands, it just help you go ahead and maneuver through, get any knots and tangle out. I mean, I didn't have shredded, like hair that was coming out or anything like that. It was just a nice, easy application. to apply this to your hair. So it's very easy. Like as you see what I'm doing, I'm just continuing to run my fingers through it, and the curls just kept popping. The curls came through, the curls came to life. So as I stated earlier, the top part of my hair is more coarse, it's more dense. To me, that's why we're having a little bit more of my trouble areas. So next time I use the product, I think I'm gonna start in the front part of my hair while it's good and wet, and then allowing the product to sit longer in the front, just to go ahead and give it a start. But I still think it was a great product, and it still helped my hair very well. I did feel like I had to go back through the front of my hair with a little bit more product, but that's expected with that being the coarser part, the thicker part of my hair, of my head. I that's just common. So yeah, y'all, give it a try. Alright, so this is the last bit. I'm gonna just go in a little bit more in the front. Just to make sure it's good and coated. It says saturated, so I want to make sure. Especially where I know I had like some damaged spots. I want to make sure I didn't miss them. Alright, so it says 15 minutes to an hour, so I'm gonna just let it sit probably for a good 20-30 minutes, and I'll be back once I rinse them out. My hair do feel moisturized, I will say that. It does feel like I have a good conditioner treatment going, so we will see after the rinse out. So it has been at least 20 minutes. My hair still feels okay, not hard or anything. Still feel like it's you know, still had conditioner on it. Like it's absorbing, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo. I'm trying melanin, so I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo it with this, and I'll come back after I have shampoo. Alright, y'all, so rinsing the Bond Curl Sloth out. So let me say, this is an 1/8 ounce. I think I still have a good bit left in the bottle, so I'm pretty sure I can get like another 2 uses out of this. So I'm pretty sure you can get
at least 3 uses out of this one bottle, depending on the thickness and the length of your hair. So when I rinse it out, I could feel my curls. Like I can tell in some areas where my curls felt rejuvenated. This is just a shampoo, no conditioner, and it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. So I'm pretty sure if I do this another time, maybe another 3 wash, maybe not too soon, that it's gonna help. It's I would definitely say put that in your hair regimen routine. So this is just after the shampoo. Okay guys, so I'm back coming to you with my final review on the curl bonding. So I did my hair in a wash and go. I must say I have noticed a difference. My last wash and go, like, I had some scringly long piece. I mean, I still have some here and there, but to me the curls did come back to life. I will really recommend this product to anyone who need to put some curls or just rejuvenate their hair, and you need a protein treatment, to go ahead and do it. I just feel like my hair, life is back into my hair. Last time I did my wash and go, like I said, everything wasn't popping. I still see where there are certain spots still need to be improved, but I have seen a difference. So I must say I give the product a thumbs up. If you need to go try it, y'all, if you go, just go try it out. But yeah, this is my final results. I feel like my curls are like really popping.